If you're watching this tutorial, then that means you can't get the properties window to appear after creating a filter for the HD PVR encoder. This tutorial will cover the things you need to get that son of a bitch to work. So let's get started. Basically, this is where GraphEdit is now located. It's a Microsoft website. So, pull it up, it takes you here. It's the actual DirectX 9.0 SDK update, as you can see. I tried looking for a newer version, but I guess it doesn't exist, or it's hidden within Microsoft's website. Anyways, you download it. I recommend you actually download it to an easy directory. Now we'll show you why. So in my case, I put it straight into a folder called downloaded in the C directory, and this is what it's going to look like. Alright, now make sure you have WinRAR or WinRAR, or however you want to pronounce it. Go ahead and right click on it, and when you do, you want to go to extract here with WinRAR, or just open up WinRAR and extract it to this folder or wherever it's going to be, but I recommend it's in one folder only, not multiple folders. You'll see why in a second. Extract here, and you get this. Go ahead and right click on that and extract here again, and you're going to get a new folder called Extras. Yep. And we're done. So go to Extras, you go to Direct Show, and then down here in Utilities. Now this is where I only have experience with the 64-bit version of Vista. If you have 32, I'm assuming, then you should be fine to just stick with this file location, and I'll explain this in a second. But for those of you that are using the 64-bit, let's go ahead and go to 64, and then here is the GraphEdit that you want to use. So you go to Graph, Insert Filters. I'm going to show you exactly what you should be getting if you have a problem trying to do this. So you want to go for WDM encoder devices. Click on, can't pronounce it, the Habagash HD, whatever. Insert filter. Close out of this. And if it asks you if you want to save at that point, say no, which I don't think it did. Go to filter properties. This is the error, the piece of shit that's not working. So what the fuck? We're screwed over. What are we going to do? I will show you. So click OK, close this, say no, minimize this, and now pull up a text file that I got here. You have to basically register that file that's located in that folder. This one right here. Now for those of you that are using 32 bits, you would just basically keep a note, a mental note maybe, or just leave this window open, and you want to note down where this file is located for you. In everyone else's cases, 64-bit, it's going to be located here, Utilities X64. Now what you want to do is go to Start, Programs, Accessories, and Command Prompt. But whoa, don't click. Right click Command Prompt and go to Run as Administrator. Yes, the piece of shit ain't going to work properly if you don't do that. Now here's the good part. Excuse me while I have to get up and do some shit on the keyboard. Now I'll type this in really quick. CD ... CD ... Now this is why I asked you guys, or told you guys, or instructed, or commanded, however you want to say it, to go to save the file in your root directory, C drive or whatever, what have you. So there it is, downloaded. So what you want to do is change directory, downloaded. Now you're in there and go dir, more shit, no problem, cd space, extras, dir, let's see where else we're going, cd space, direct show. So those of you who do not know these commands, I'm basically trying to get into that folder. dir, look at that. Okay, so cd space, utilities, dir, oh look, there it is. So this is for you 32 bits people that are using the 32-bit of GraphEdit. This is the location where you want to stop. Everyone else, follow me. cd space, X64. Alright, now you need to just register that file. So how do you register it? I will show you if I can find my mouse. Ah, there it is. Here you go. That is the command you want to type in. So let's go ahead and type it in. Ready? Here we go. Register server. I think that's what it means. 32 space and then that file name proppage.dll, and then you hit enter and watch this. Doesn't that sound amazing? That is the sound of success. Now hit OK, close out of this, minimize this. Now you should be able to use GraphEdit properly. Let's check it out. Graph, insert filters, browse down to WDM encoder. I don't know why everything turns purple according to this plug and play device filter, but that's weird. I used the 32-bit and it didn't do any of this. Anyways, so go to insert filter on the HD PVR. Insert filter, close. Right click on this, filter properties. Hallelujah. What the hell is this crap? There you go. Fixed its shit. Anyways, more shit to deal with. And there you go. You're all set. Constant. Yeah, that's all good. Now here's a little something to throw it out. Look at this crazy mumbo jumbo. Is that normal? I guess so. Anyways, if you guys can find out any other ways to get the proper view of this thing, then go ahead and post it in a reply and let me know. But so far, this will actually set your bit rate the way it's supposed to. So hallelujah. So now all you have to do is hit apply, hit OK, close out of this, say no, and now you're all set. Alright, the next video tutorial I will talk about the mumbo jumbo and more shit you got to deal with this HD PVR in terms of file formats and how, let's see, MP4 and the M2 whatever have you PlayStation format doesn't get into damn Vegas. So that's another bullshit of 2 to 3 hours that I'm working on right now. Anyways, see you later.